Caterpillar headquarters called in a favor. They won a few military D7s to help mark their 100th anniversary in Peoria. It's time to wake them up, dust them off, and send them back to where it all began.
Okay guys, behind us here, we got a 1944 D7, 7 Mary, serial number prefix. Got the Laterno blade on it, Laterno power unit in the back. We're gonna wake it up here from a winter nap. We're gonna take it out to a little show in Peoria, Illinois, and just gonna see if it'll fire up here and get it ready to go. So.
Walk me through what you got going on, like the steps.
Just turning the gas on here. I can give you a quick breakdown. So I'll just let the throttle stop off. Get the decompression down and start here. Fuel's off, it's in neutral. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the pony motor going here. I'll engage the clutches. We'll go ahead and get it up into full compression, let it warm up for a little bit, put some fuel to it, and see if the diesel will start here.
During World War II, the Caterpillar D7 wasn't just a machine, it was a force multiplier. These tractors carved roads, built airstrips, and cleared the way for Allied forces across Europe and the Pacific. They didn't wear uniforms, but they served just the same, proving that heavy iron could be just as critical to victory as any weapon. With engines humming once more and decades of dust washed away, These military D7s are on the road again, headed to Caterpillar headquarters in Peoria. They were built to serve, and now they'll stand as a symbol of their strength, history, and legacy that shaped the world, still turning heads 100 years later.